every action has opposite reaction. The yesterday's talk on a channel compelled me to review the ongoing developments in the aviation industry, which are going to make the environment more challenging. I was listening to a couple of videos and found something which I thought that we must share. We know that the luxury of flying has gone by. It's an era that has gone by. Luxury of travel or flying is virtually gone. Now the people have started flying in knickers, pajamas, and Bermudas pajamas, and we have come to economy flying. Like in rail, the berth has got converted into chair car, right? So like we know, there was a time when you used to go book a berth for going to Chandigarh, but now you find even up to Amritsar, you have got a chair car. In flight too, we have shifted from luxury seats to economy seats, probably where a person of my size finds difficult to sit even. And then, on the other hand, airlines for the last, say, couple of years started developing seats which are economical to put on flight, light in weight, and carry more passengers. That's the issue. But then we are also not started thinking flying with seat or without seat. Without seat, when I saying, I know that once I had gone to one amusement park where there was a daisy wheel, and that daisy wheel was not having a chair on the circular disc. A person stands and he is tied with the belts, and then merry-go-round moves. So like that, flights are developing seats which could be seats where passengers will stand, a half stand you can say, right? So is there a possibility of that? Yes, possibility of that is there. So we are talking of now in the coming era, will we have a flights without seat or standing seats, right? I have travelled from Delhi to Ambala, there were no seat by standing, and there are different experiences. Like same, we are thinking that the flights under 2 hours will have a standing seat. But the question is, why I am making this podcast today is because will this be able to withstand the turbulence which we felt a week back in the Indigo incident? The turbulence that in the standing seat I personally feel will be very difficult. And then the weather forecast, the climate change, etc. If we see the history of turbulence which is increasing, so climate change is compelling us that the flights will be not as smooth as they had been, and we are making the sitting postures more uncomfortable, from luxury sitting to economy sitting to standing. What is the future? We always used to say innovation, safety first. Are we now saying economy first? Let us see profitability taking over the safety, right? Thank you.